Youth Ambassador Mahendra Pagwa will be representing Guyana at the Rewired Education Summit in Dubai in December. Narima Ali reports.
24-year-old Youth Ambassador Mahendra Pagwa of number 2 Village East Kanji Berbice is set to represent Guyana in Dubai at the Global Rewired Education Summit in December. The summit will be held during the Knowledge and Learning Week at the 2020 Expo and is led by Dubai Care in close coordination with the UAE Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation. Representatives from 192 countries across the globe will be present, with the aim of acting as a catalyst in redefining the education system to ensure a future that is prosperous, sustainable, innovative, and accessible to all.
All of us will be coming together to discuss ideas on how to rewire and re-engineer education for the 21st century. Rewiring education for the 21st century has been a conversation amongst world leaders on how to promote today's education in helping to foster tomorrow's development. It is a focus point in where young people are coming together along with decision makers to show them that the current education systems are not in alignment with tomorrow's and all tomorrow's work opportunities, and so better must be done. And so the conversation is to spark better education policies among young people, and more so to have young people participating more actively in government agencies.
The young man explained how he was selected to be a part of the summit.
I was recruited by Restless Development, which is located in the United Kingdom, and 12 of us were recruited from the Caribbean, from South and North America, from Asia and other continents. And together the 12 of us came and we researched on young people's aspirations, their goals, and more so how to better the education system. And one of the findings from that research is that we found that the current education system is not in alignment with the available work opportunities, and more so the education system unfortunately are not preparing our students for the world of work, and so more needs to be done to apply a soft-based curriculum more than a theory-based curriculum.
The Youth Ambassador has been working extensively on similar youth and education-related projects since 2019, when he participated in the Youth Leader Access program in New York City.
I am very happy and proud to know that something will come out of it, whereby world leaders will go back to their countries and try to improve the education system within their country, including right here in Guyana. And as a former young leader 2019-2020, where I would have studied this in the United States at NYU and Champlain College, I'm more than pleased and proud to know that something is finally being done. After my return from the Young Leaders Program, I've been involved in the studies of school dropouts right here in Guyana, and as a Berbician, I'm even more so happy that I know to myself that this project, this research, will make an impact worldwide and also will be implemented here in Guyana.
This is how Mahendra will seek to rewire the education system here in Guyana.
The research focuses on engaging young people, more young people in government, and so it is my intention, my goal to convince the government and to convince other agencies that more needs to be done to improve our education system, because it is the education system that is the root factor that determines how our community is being fostered.
Noting that he experienced difficulties with Guyana's education system during his school days, Mahendra is filled with emotions as he now has the opportunity to aid in addressing the weaknesses in the education system, thereby creating a more accessible environment for students of all ages and all walks of life.
To be selected for this Dubai Summit is an absolute honor. Words simply cannot describe how I feel. More so as a Berbician and as a Guyanese making a name out there, for someone who has personally experienced the system itself, in which I was a former school dropout. And so this is very close to my heart, and I'm very passionate about changing the education system, simply because I want to be a voice for the others. I don't want to be a victim and to cry off the system, but to make better, because I know I can do better in the system. Absolute honor, and I am more than thrilled and I'm more than happy. As a Guyanese, I'm more than proud and happy to present this report to world leaders in front of 192 countries in Dubai to make better, not only for myself, but for young people across the world.
Narima Ali, Channel 8 News.